Nestled in the lush green mountains and cool, humming winds of Himachal Pradesh lay a small village, where life moved at a gentle pace. The mornings there were refreshing, and the evenings so calm that one felt like conversing with oneself. In this very village lived Seema, a simple girl with her family. Though her face reflected calmness, her heart held a big dream. She felt she had something special within her, something that could bring pride to her village and family. Since childhood, Seema loved making sweets with her grandmother. Her grandmother's magical hands and age-old recipes created flavors that left everyone enchanted. Seema learned the craft from her grandmother, and slowly, the taste of her sweets became famous among friends and relatives. However, Seema never imagined that this sweetness would one day change her life. One day, the aroma of her sweets gave wings to her dreams. The sweets touched the heart of a stranger who said to her, "You have talent. Bring it to the world." This one line changed Seema's life. But would it be that easy? Where would this journey take her? Would her dreams come true, or would they remain mere fantasies? Seema's family was very modest, with limited resources, making it difficult for her to start a business. Yet, she dreamed big, of sharing her sweets far and wide. She tried to convince her parents about opening a shop, but the villagers mocked her aspirations, saying, "A girl in business? And that too, a sweet business? It's not a girl's job." Seema felt disheartened, but her determination remained unshaken. She borrowed a small sum from her parents and decided to set up a tiny shop in the village market. The beginning was tough. For many days, people passed by her shop without stopping. Many times, her sweets remained unsold, leaving her feeling defeated. One night, she even thought about giving it all up. But then her grandmother encouraged her, saying, "Child, hard work never goes to waste. Have patience and keep going. Success will come to you." These words struck deep within Seema's heart. She resolved to never give up. Each morning, she opened her shop with fresh hope and prepared sweets with love for her customers. One day, a man from the city, who was staying in the village, bought sweets from Seema's shop. The moment he tasted them, he praised her, saying, "Seema, your sweets are special. Why don't you try selling them online or open a shop in the city?" This thought resonated deeply with Seema, who began to think, why not give it a try? With the help of friends, she learned about selling online. She arranged packaging for her sweets and started taking online orders. Then came her first big order, bringing her immense joy and pride. Her smile revealed a new confidence, and it strengthened her dreams further. As Seema's business grew, new challenges arose. Once, a major order's delivery got delayed, leading to a substantial loss. Moreover, some villagers, envious of her success, tried to belittle her. Yet, Seema faced these hurdles head-on. She reinforced her operations, improved her packaging, and gradually expanded her reach to other cities. Now, her sweets were selling far and wide. She overcame every obstacle, her hard work and resolve making her stronger. Seema's sweets had now spread their sweetness not just in her village but in the cities as well. Her name and business had become an example. The pride in the villagers' eyes and the smiles on their faces told the story of Seema's impact. Not only had she created jobs, but she had also ignited new hope among them. Many women joined her, discovering their talents and earning livelihoods. One day, Seema sat outside her shop when her grandmother came and, smiling, said, "Child, I always saw this sweetness in you, but the way you've shared it with the world is truly commendable." Seema's eyes filled with tears of joy. She hugged her grandmother and looked toward the sky, thinking, if one has courage and works honestly to fulfill their dreams, every hurdle on the path begins to seem small. Seema's journey teaches us that with true effort and unwavering faith, any dream can be achieved. No matter how many obstacles come in life, one should never abandon their spirit. The journey of breaking boundaries and establishing one's identity may be challenging, but the sweetness of success lingers forever. This story's sweetness proves that if intentions are strong and efforts are genuine, no hurdle is too big to overcome.